Stage 1 of the Open Doors Scholarship is entirely based on your portfolio. If you don't get this stage right, you don't even get to take the final proctored exam. As someone who won the Artificial Intelligence and Mathematics track in 2026 and runner-up in Business Management in 2024, I have been through this exact process twice and figured out the winning formula. Welcome back to BitFix. Today, we are deep diving into building a portfolio that guarantees you make it to Stage 2.
To start your application, head over to the official portal using the link in the description. But before you type a single word, keep your travel document open right next to you. Your name must match your official travel document letter for letter. Pay extreme attention to the first name and surname sections so you don't accidentally invert or swap them. Always double-check your date of birth format. Last year, candidates had their scholarships canceled simply due to minor name, and birth date discrepancies.
Grab your notes because we are breaking down every single document you need to submit. Let's talk about achievements. A lot of students ask if they should only upload certificates related to their exact major. The short answer is no. My golden rule for Stage 1 is simple. Upload everything you have. The portfolio scoring system is fundamentally a numbers game, while only your motivation letter and education diploma are mandatory to submit the form. All optional documents directly increase the maximum score you can achieve. Have an online course certificate in a slightly different field? Upload it. Did you win a local debate competition or volunteer leadership award? Upload it. Every single verified achievement adds weight and points to your total evaluation. Think of your portfolio as a stack of proof showing your dedication and continuous learning. Here is a huge time saver. Certified translations are not required at the first stage. You can upload your original official documents right now to save time and money. Now that your achievements are ready, let's focus on the single most crucial document, your motivation letter. The motivation letter is where you turn raw points into a compelling human story. Remember, this letter must be typed or copy-pasted directly into the portal's form field in 4 different sections for every subject. Evaluators read thousands. To stand out, you must follow the official structure. First, clearly state your long-term scientific and career goals. Second, highlight your most significant professional or academic achievements so far. Do not write emotional or poetic stories. Keep it structured, clear, and professional. Be extremely specific about what skills you want to gain and how you plan to apply them. Connect your past achievements directly to your future tech or business goals. Double-check for grammar, proofread it twice, and ensure every paragraph delivers value. A well-structured letter shows evaluators that you are serious and prepared. Now, let's cover a critical step that catches many applicants completely off guard. Along with uploading your documents, you are required to take an entry test inside the portal. This test evaluates your basic readiness for your chosen subject track.
Do not leave this test or your application until the final hours. The absolute deadline for Open Doors registration is November 1st, 2026. After November 1st, the portal locks completely. No edits or extra documents allowed. Review your file uploads, verify your test submission, and click Submit early. Once submitted, your portfolio goes straight to the university or extra evaluation committee. Now you wait for the first stage scoring process to complete. First stage results will be officially announced on November 13th, 2026. In my next video, we will cover how to prepare for and pass the strictly proctored Stage 2 exams. Subscribe to BitFix for the complete Scholarship Seeds Scholarship series. Drop your questions below, and I'll see you in Stage 2.